What's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your rear brake pads on a 2002 Mercedes CLK. Now the first thing I like to do is usually push this caliper piston back in. What I'm going to do first is double check that the master cylinder fluid level is not too high so that when we push that back in we're not going to overflow that brake fluid reservoir and make a big mess. Alright, so here's your brake master cylinder right here, and you can pull the cap off and take a look down inside. It's well below the max, and it's actually right down there. We've got enough room to do this. So let's go back down to the wheel. Now after checking the master cylinder level, we can push these caliper pistons back in, but I found that it's easier on this one to push this pin here out of the way and remove this little retainer so that you've got more room to pry outward on the brake pads. And the easiest way is to grab a little punch and line it up right here at the end of this and tap that pin out. By the way, the size on this punch, this is a 5/32. There's probably a equivalent metric size that works better, but I'm just going to punch this out with a little punch and a hammer. Then you kind of just press on that spring or clip, take out the pin, and we can set this out of the way as well. Now to push the caliper piston back in, just grab a screwdriver or two and see if you just kind of pry between the pad and the rotor there. That'll give you some leverage. Sorry, that's not the easiest to film here, but I'm just trying to wedge screwdrivers in there and push them towards each other, and that makes room for the new pad material. Now we can pull out the old brake pads. You can see they're worn, but not completely metal to metal or anything. And then we can put in our new brake pads. And then you just kind of hold this clip in place, just kind of push it down. And then I'm just going to use a little hammer to start to tap that back in. Okay, just tap it to where it's flush. I might have gone a little too far there with the ball peen end, but it looks like it's okay. And you're done. Just remember to step on the brake pedal a few times to push that caliper piston back out, pushing those pads up against the rotor where they need to be. The part number that I used is right here. It's a A003-420-5220. That's the OEM Mercedes brake pads. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description as well. Please hit the subscribe button down there below. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.